U.S. House Majority Leader Dick Gephardt was in New Jersey to push a public policy agenda he says supports medical innovation. Desiree Taylor has the details.
His campaign days may be over, but Dick Gephardt has another platform, medical innovation. He explained why it's critical to support this industry to an audience of industry leaders who gathered at Rutgers.
Medical innovation is vital to economic growth and to the creation of good jobs in the United States. The second reason, it has the potential to dramatically reduce healthcare costs.
Gephardt is now chair of the Council for American Medical Innovation. It has commissioned a study to develop a national public policy agenda that promotes medical innovations that will help find cures and treatments for diseases and create jobs. Gephardt says this policy is needed to ensure the U.S. and New Jersey remain leaders in this industry.
We are falling behind the competition. Singapore, China, other parts of the world are really concentrating on this area because it's creation of jobs.
I think New Jersey is still clearly a leader, and in fact with the growth of the biotech industry, we're sort of strengthening our position as a leader. But again, I think industry-wide, globally, and specifically in the U.S., more of this innovation has to happen and has to be supported.
Gephardt believes it's fitting to bring this message to New Jersey because of the high concentration of pharmaceutical and medical technology companies here, which employ nearly 60,000 people in high-paying jobs. He says supporting this industry will require regulatory reform, more investments in research and development, and increasing the biosciences talent pool.
We need to orient kids towards science careers when they start high school and then again when they start Rutgers. And Rutgers needs to make some commensurate investments in supporting its programs.
Of course, implementing this ambitious agenda will require funding at a time when public and private dollars are in short supply. But Gephardt believes the investments made today will reap tremendous benefits in the future.
These investments of money have enormous payoffs in terms of job creation and in terms of healthcare cost savings. And that's the real payoff of this activity.
Desiree Taylor, NJN News, Piscataway.
The CDC